It's your boy, Javaughn in the building, man. I'm back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another banging video, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, yeah. I got my beautiful baby right here, Javaughn, you know what I'm saying? What's good, baby? Guys, hold on real quick, guys. Hold on. Guys, I'm by myself. Guys, this is why we haven't been uploading, guys. I didn't want to tell you guys this, man, but this right here used to be Javaughn. She's in the kitchen with me. She's not here, guys. She moved out on me, guys. She moved out a couple days ago, man. That's why we haven't been uploading. She cleared everything out. She moved out while I was sleeping. I know I gotta make this video all by myself, guys. Man, guys, pray for me in the comment section, guys. Please pray for me. Please pray for me, man. I need my baby back, man.
Boy, if you don't...
Sorry, nah, man. That was all a joke, man. Did I get you, guys? Did I get you? Oh, I got you, huh? I got you, huh? Sorry, nah, guys. Javaughn is at work. You know what I'm saying? She's at work. I'm all at home by myself, so I decided that, you know what? I'm gonna go make a cooking video. You know what I'm saying? I've been saying that. I've been saying all these days. I've been saying, okay, I need to do this cooking video for you guys, but I'm all by myself and I'm fine. Today is a very good day to do it. Oh, guys, if you guys see me stuttering or coughing or sneezing, I'm kind of getting a little sick a little bit. Bear with me, guys. I'm really sorry for that, guys. Just bear with me. Really sorry for that, but just like that right there. So but as you guys see by the title, man, I'm coming to you guys with a cooking video today. You know what I'm saying? Javaughn cooking video today. You know what I'm saying? What should I name it? I don't know. But cooking with Javaughn. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So today, as you guys see the title, man, we're gonna be cooking some Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Boom! You know what I'm saying? One of Jamaica #1 dish everyone is like back home, you know what I'm saying? So I haven't had this in a while, so I decided to cook it today. And why not vlog it? You know what I'm saying? Why not vlog it? So this is basically what I'm gonna do today. Let me show you guys what I got right here. As you guys can see, man, we got the flour, man, all-purpose flour. We got the ackee right here, you know what I'm saying? Straight out of Jamaica, you know. Got some cornmeal, you know what I'm saying? Got some potatoes for the cut up. Got some green banana. Oh, my drink right here, man. Don't drink, but got some green banana from the, you know, boiled. I don't know if you guys ever had boiled banana before, but it's pretty good. All my cabin people prefer private, but then I got my season right here. Got the black pepper. You know what I'm saying? Got the all-purpose. Got the thyme. Maybe I'm gonna use it. I don't know. Got this. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. Maybe. We got jerk season. I don't know why I took this out, but the main thing I'm gonna be using is maybe these two, maybe this. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get all the things that I need, but I'm working with what I have, you know what I'm saying? Got the pots over here. Bam, bam. Hold on, guys. Well, yeah, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let my hands do all the work. We're gonna shift it up. You guys are gonna join with us, you know what I'm saying? Damn it, man. All right. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, shit, I said. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean. Go do it. Same thing as it would. Get it together, man. Get it together. Hey, man, get it together. Sad now, but alright, guys, I'm gonna listen. I'm not gonna talk no more, man. Let's go right into the video. Guys, I forgot to show you my the codfish right here, guys. This is what I'm gonna use. It's called codfish in America, but in Jamaica we call it saltfish. But this is what I'm gonna use inside of the ackee right here. So join with us as we, you know, cook it up. You know what I'm saying? Do it for the Javaughn vlog. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Javaughn vlog. Alright, guys. So first thing first, wash my hand. You know what I'm saying? Wash my hand. Second thing, since for the flour, because guys, I'm gonna be boiling the flour. I mean the dumpling. I mean, see, this is the thing we need to do in our country, man. I'm gonna be boiling the flour in some water. Get it, Javaughn. Get it. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all, man. Y'all probably think I'm crazy, but sign on. But first thing first, I'm gonna turn the stove on. Then I'm gonna boil some water. Boil some water to about. Can you guys see that? Up to about right there. Right there. A little too much. Alright, that's good enough. That's good enough. Right, wait. No. Put it back in there. Alright, no put in the stove. Normally when I'm cooking ackee and saltfish, I would put this inside the water along with the flour and the potatoes and the bananas, but I don't think I'm gonna do it this time. Because if I was gonna do it, I wasn't gonna add any salt into the water, because you know salt is already on this already, so I don't make it too salty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add a little bit of salt into the water. My salt right here. Add some salt into the water. Just a little bit. Not too much. Like I said, I go ahead and add my water and my salt right here and just stir it up. You know what I'm saying? So let us boil up, get the water get hot and boil up. So I'm gonna cover it up and leave it there for until when I'm done doing this. I got my bowl. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add my. Wait, did I show you I got caramel too? I don't know. Hopefully I did. But now I'm gonna add my my flour and stuff. You know what I'm saying? A little flour and dumpling. You know, and yes, guys, for you guys who didn't know, you can boil this or you can fry it. You know what I'm saying? Either way. Go to the Jamaican restaurant if you want to try it out. You know what I'm saying? If you're already Jamaican, you already know what's up. But matter of fact, big up to all our Jamaicans. I mean, big up to all our fans. I mean, big up to all our supporters and our family, friends. You know what I'm saying? Big up to all of the vision man. Them not vision crew, them vision on top. You know what I'm saying? Alright, don't know what's up already, but alright. Flour it up. Alright. I don't want to make too much because I don't know who else is going to eat some of this. Probably me alone. I don't know. Add my cornmeal on top. Alright, guys, so I pour my cornmeal in it. I don't know if you guys, hope you guys can see it. A little cornmeal right here, my flour right here in front. You know what I'm saying? Normally I'm at a little bit. Just a little tip. Just a little, that's it. Cause I already add salt into the water already, so normally if I add salt in this, I don't add in this, but I'm just add a little bit in here just to, you know? Alright. My water boil up over this, so here comes the fun part. You see the water go inside of it? You know what I'm saying? And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna like that, you know? You get the drift? We're gonna do it like this. Alright, China man. Alright guys, so look right now, it's kind of forming into a ball and I'm like 80% done. As you guys see, man, see? Formed into it's not a perfect circle, but it's a little ball right there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, check on my water. Ooh, steam. So you got a little bubbles. Let me turn the stove a little more so it's gonna start boiling up faster so that add to it. So yeah guys, everything's going good so far, man. How you guys liking it so far? Am I doing good so far? Alright, still got a long way, man. Still got to cut this up, and boil this, and cut this open and season it up. So still got a long way, guys. So journey with us, man. If you like it so far, man, you gotta drop a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? If you guys also want me to do more cooking videos for you guys, let me guys know in the comment section below. Also comment what you guys want me to cook, because I can't cook everything, but I'll try. You know what I'm saying? If it's Jamaican wise. But if it's some other stuff, then I might ask Javaughn to help me out. Oh, as we're speaking, look at it, guys. Oh, look at it, guys. See, it's boiling up, so it's time to add this into it. Alright, guys. So it's time to put just like this. What am I doing? Man, just like this. Cut a little piece off like that. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Yes, sir. Like that, guys. You see me? Like that. I'm not doing too perfectly right now, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing right now. You guys can see it. Oh. So me, I come from. Alright, see guys? Something like that, you know what I'm saying? Something like that, not too big. You guys can see it. You see, then just drop it in the water. Just keep going. And guys, the reason why I had the cornmeal kind of give it that little how would I say now, like a little like say make it a little bit bigger. And so if I should flatten this out all the way like flat, the cornmeal that I add to it gonna give a little boost to make it a little bigger. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So as you guys can see, man, I did all of them fit in there. So now we're gonna let these cook for like 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna let it cook for like 10 minutes or so. Then we're gonna start on these, cutting these up, and then we're gonna add these into this over here when it's almost finished cooking. And that's because these are more softer, so they don't take that long to cook. So guys, join with us. So guys, man, I'm start cutting up these now. You know, I'm not gonna show me all these because I don't want to make the video too long. So I'm just gonna show one of them. Yeah, guys, I always wash these off before I start using it. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much how I do it. Do this, cut it in half. Hope you guys can see it, I can't tell. Cut it in half. And cut it in another half again. Boom. See? Boom. Same with this one. Cut it in half. Back cut. Boom. See? Just like that. Now I'm gonna do the banana real quick. Green banana, it's gonna boil. I need to sharpen these knives. My God. Yeah, I need to sharpen these knives. It's not coming out so perfectly. That's pretty much how you do it, guys. Pretty much how I peel the banana. Guys, right here, you guys can see I made a mistake right here, but you just cut it like this. You don't have to cut this anymore, so just put it in the pot just like this, just like how it is right here. And yeah. So guys, I'm doing the same thing for the rest of these. So guys, as you can see, man, I'm done cutting up right here. Boom, bam, boom. This should be almost. I'm gonna show you guys up there how it look right now. It's getting there. It's getting there almost. So guys, I'm pretty much done with that. So now I'm gonna start on these. I'm gonna cut these up right here, season it up. So guys, now I'm gonna cut up my tomato, bell peppers, and onions. You know what I'm saying? So it looks so far. I'm done with that. Now for the onion. As you guys can see, everything is all cut up. So alright guys, now I'm gonna start on my codfish, my saltfish. As I said, normally I boil this inside of the with the dumplings inside of the same water, but this time I'm just boil it by itself. So I'm gonna cut it up, wash it off. First I'm gonna so first how you do it, you wanna catch some water. Put some water. You wanna add this inside the water. As you guys can see, 3-piece came in at 1, 2 on this one. This one should be pretty fine, pretty big. This should be pretty fine. So these I'm gonna use for another day. So let's wash it off. Sometimes it be too salty, so I like to wash off mine. Wash it off. I'm put it just in the water, just like this, guys, just like this. All the way into this right here. No, I'm gonna wait for this to boil up and bubble up. That's when it's all cooked. Well, it's already cooked already, but that's the, you know what I mean, guys. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. You can see my own. You know what I mean. All right. All this coming along. All this coming. Oh, the steam. This is getting along. It's almost soon time for me to add the bananas and stuff in it. So these are pretty much the steam, guys. Sorry. That's why I need Javaughn here to hold the camera for me. But I'm sorry, but this is how it looks so far, guys. I did go ahead and add the. Oh, you guys can't really see. I did go in and it's too bright. I need to fix my camera and say, but I did go ahead and add. Hold on, really quick. All right, that's much better. All right, guys, I did go ahead and I add the potatoes and the bananas into it, so it's gonna boil for another 10 minutes. Not too long, another 5 minutes, and it should be done. So I go ahead and add another pot over here. See, the oil is already hot already. So I'm going and I'm gonna add these into it. This is already hot already. This is boiling up. That's the saltfish, codfish. Add this into it, into that. Let that cook. Then cook this up. Add my seasoning. Then get that, and then we're pretty much almost done. You know what I'm saying? So journey with us. Yes, sir. See that? Ooh. Ooh. Turn the stove down. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. This is boiling up. Time for that to come out. Alright, guys. This is done. All I'm gonna do is it's hot. So, guys, always make sure to catch some cold water because it's just got the stove and it's pretty hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all these little piece bones right here, scratch this off, and then cut it up in piece, and then yeah, it's good. So guys, this is how it look right now. You know what I'm saying? All I did is I just peel it, just crush it up like this in small pieces. So I'm gonna pour this just like this into the pot right now. Stir it up, and then guys, this is where I add some of my seasoning right here. See, you guys can see. This is where I add this is where I add some of my seasoning. Turn the stove up. Add my black pepper. All-purpose. Also, guys, you really don't need these two, to be honest. Black pepper, all-purpose. That's all you pretty much need. Guys, now I'm finna open up this, and then this is pretty much the last touch, and then I'm dumping this, and that's it. So I'm just gonna open this up, guys. Oh. Like that. See, there you go. Right. So I'll do it back over there, see me? I do have a can opener, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it like this. You know what I'm saying? Just fold that back. Fold that back. You guys can see, voila. Voila. And it's going in here. You burn all the water. Empty. Boom. Boom. Don't feel join the water. As you guys can see, your boy has did it. We are done. We got the banana, the dumplings, the Irish potato, and over here is the Ackee and saltfish. Focus, 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 focus. But yeah, guys, boom, boom. Everything is done. Food is done. Everything is looking good. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go in the room, watch a movie, chill, consume this, edit this video, and wait for Shy to come home. You know what I'm saying? Without further ado, guys, this is the end of the video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below, did I do a good job? What could I do better? You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I didn't have all this little, I had everything that I need, but I could have did a better job in my opinion, but next time I will. But I said, guys, comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Javaughn, and I'm out, man. Peace, man. Love y'all, man. Y'all be safe in the streets.